students, today we are going to study maths. In this video we are studied about chapter 2, parallel lines and transversal, practice set 2.2. First question, choose the correct alternative. In the adjoining figure, if line M parallel line N and line P is a transversal, then find X. पहा या ठिकाणी लाइन M and line N are parallel lines. Line P is a transversal. Here two angles are given, 3x and x. If line M and N are parallel lines and P is its transversal, then 3x and x, these two angles are interior angles and interior angles are supplementary. Therefore 3x plus x is equal to 180 degree, means 4x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore x is equal to 180 degree upon 4. Now divide these, 4 4s are 16, remaining 2 means 20, 4 5s are 20. X is equal to 45 degree, means option C. Second sub question, in the adjoining figure, if line A parallel line B, line A and B are parallel lines and line L is a transversal, then find the value of X. Here A and B are parallel lines and value of, we can calculate the value of X. 2x, this angle is also 2x because these two are opposite angles. 4x and 2x are interior angles. Line A and B are parallel lines and L is its transversal, therefore interior angles are supplementary. Therefore 4x plus 2x is equal to 180 degree. 4x plus 2x, 6x. 6x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore x is equal to 180 degree upon 6. 6 3s are 18, 6 0 0, 30 degree. Means answer is option D. Value of x is 30 degree. Second question, in the adjoining figure, line P parallel line Q. Line P and Q are parallel lines. Line T and line S are transversals. Here two transversals, T and S. Find measure of angle X and Y using the measure of angles given in the figure. आता या ठिकाणी फिगरमध्ये जे अँगल्स दिलेले आहेत त्यावरून आपल्याला एक्स आणि वाय अँगलचं मेजर कॅल्क्युलेट करायचं आहे. पहा, लाइन P and line Q are parallel lines. Here angle 70 degree is given, therefore this angle is also 70 degree because these two are opposite angles. S is a transversal, therefore angle Y and 70 degree are two interior angles. If these two lines are parallel, P and Q are parallel lines and S is its transversal, therefore angle Y and 70 degree are the interior angles. Therefore Y plus 70 degree, angle Y plus 70 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore measurement of angle Y is equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree is equal to 110 degree. Means measurement of angle Y is 110 degree. Here T is also transversal. Line P and Q are parallel lines and T is its transversal. Therefore this angle is also 40 degree. These two are corresponding angles, 40 degree, 40 degree. 40 degree and angle X are linear pairs of angles. here. This angle is 40 degree. These two angles are linear pairs. Therefore, measurement of angle x plus 40 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, measurement of angle x is equal to 180 degree minus 40 degree is equal to 140 degree. Means measurement of angle x is equal to 140 degree and measurement of angle y is equal to 110 degree. Next, third question. In the adjoining figure, line P parallel line Q, line L parallel line M. Find measures of angle A, angle B, angle C. Using the measures of given angles, justify your answer. Here, line P and Q are parallel lines. Line L and M are also parallel lines. If line P and Q are parallel lines, then L is its transversal. Therefore, 80 degree plus measurement of angle A is equal to 180 degree, because 80 degree and measurement of angle A, these two are interior angles and interior angles are supplementary. Therefore, measurement of angle A is equal to 180 degree minus 80 degree is equal to 180 degree minus 80 degree is 100 degree. Means measurement of angle A is equal to 100 degree. Next, let A is 100 degree. A is 100 degree means this angle is also 100 degree. Line L and line M are also parallel lines and Q is its transversal. Measurement of angle A is 100 degree. Therefore, this angle is also 100 degree. 100 degree and measurement of angle B, these two angles are linear pairs. Therefore, 100 degree plus measurement of angle B is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, measurement of angle B is equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree is equal to 80 degree. Means measurement of angle B is equal to 80 degree. If P and Q are parallel lines and M is its transversal, then angle B and angle C are corresponding angles and measurement of angle B is 80 degree. Therefore, measurement of angle C is also 80 degree, because angle B and angle C are corresponding angles and corresponding angles are congruent. Therefore, your answer is measurement of angle A is equal to 100 degree. Measurement of angle B is equal to 80 degree and measurement of angle C is also 80 degree. Next question, question number 4. In the adjoining figure, line A parallel line B. Line L is a transversal. Find the measures of angle X, Y and Z using the given information. Here A and B are parallel lines and L is a transversal. 105 degree and angle X, these two are corresponding angles. Therefore, measurement of angle X is equal to 105 degree, because line A and B are parallel lines and L is its transversal. Therefore, corresponding angles are congruent. Next, angle X and angle Y are opposite angles. Therefore, measurement of angle Y is equal to 105 degree. Angle X is 105 degree, angle Y is also 105 degree. These two angles are linear pairs. Angle Z and 105 degree are linear pairs, and sum of measure of linear pair of angles is 180 degree. Therefore, measurement of angle Z plus 105 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, measurement of angle Z is equal to 180 degree minus 105 degree is equal to 75 degree. Means angle Z is equal to 75 degree. Therefore, your answer is measurement of angle X is equal to 105 degree. Measurement of angle Y is equal to 105 degree. And measurement of angle Z is equal to 75 degree. Next, last question, question number 5. In the adjoining figure, line P parallel line Q parallel line L. Line P, L and Q are parallel lines. Find measurement of angle X with the help of measures given in the figure. पहा या ठिकाणी P, L आणि Q या 3 पॅरलल लाईन्स दिलेल्या आहेत. फिगरमध्ये दिलेल्या मेजरमेंट्सवरून आपल्याला मेजरमेंट ऑफ अँगल X कॅल्क्युलेट करायचा आहे. लाईन P and line L are parallel line. Now extend this line. Suppose this is line M. Line M. Line M is its transversal. Its angle is A. 40 degree and angle A are alternate angles. If two lines are parallel, then alternate angles are congruent. Therefore, angle A is equal to 40 degree. Here, line L and line Q is also parallel lines. Its transversal. This angle is B. 30 degree and angle B is also alternate angles. Therefore, measurement of angle B is equal to 30 degree. Measurement of angle X is equal to measurement of angle A plus measurement of angle B. Measurement of angle A is 40 degree plus measurement of angle B is 30 degree is equal to 70 degree. Measurement of angle X is equal to 70 degree. Do like and share this video. Thank you.